Mirinda di, malipay na lang abot dito sa bangkal, makapalit mig bingka dito. Kilulayo ko man sa seminaryo, pulugsong ko dito, niya kung magklase alas 3, ting mirinda mo gina. Baktas niya dito sa hantod sa highway, at may malakay jeep pauli sa ulap. Philosophy years manam. Para kami gayon, magian mi dito nila sa pamilya, kung mga taga-asam mo doy. Pangingog doy, kasabot yung bulanon dito niya itong nangutana. Kaya kung bulanon nukod ko, muna mag-aabi sa gasang David, mag-abog niya akong mga bulanon. Yan na, sugo dito, muna nagkaihanay na, muna kami, naarambog ni sa ula ang convent. Kanya, na mga kaila, siguro nakabisita na po silang si Sir o si Ma'am dito, naman pa nakabisita sa convent. Mga igsoon, nandot tayo, the friendship to remember, and most especially today, the life to experience. Kasi mga kinapuhi, ato ang experience, to see the experiences of life ni Nanay Elsa. And there is a quotation, there is a saying that goes, to give life is the greatest of all the greatest gifts, and to save life is next to it. In this case, who has given life to Jesus is Mary, and who has saved the life of Jesus, samtang nakikuban pa siya, napuyo siya sa kalibutan, si San Jose. San Jose. And we know that saying in Latin, ite ad Joseph, go to Joseph. Everything that we ask from his intercession, whatever he commands to God, God will grant. Muna ang sekreto ni San Jose. Ang tulaw ng tauhan ni Nanay Elsa, tunong kaayo sa kapistahan ni San Jose the Worker, or Saint Joseph the Worker. Ano naman, it's really, when someone, Saint Joseph's greatness is not being found in any word we cannot see, we cannot read one word pronounced from the mouth of Saint Joseph. Not even one word, not even one letter being pronounced by him. Wala siya. Pinagi naman sa damgo siya ipadayagan sa Ginoo. But where comes his greatness? Not in words, but in active service. Muna, we see this active service all throughout their family. Muna, makarelate ko kay pag philosophy mami, muna, that active service happened already, became an experience already. So, nanilot tayo ang aktibo nga pagserbisyo, dili ay makalimtan, bisan pag asa mga bot, bisan pag pilay pangidaron, mahinumduman gihapon na. Words might be deleted. Words might be cancelled. Kaya mga pulong siguro sahay, mapapas, mawala, mahanaw.